Hello, my name is Josephine Chase. I have chose these two logos for our anti-prejudice campaign to persuade and potentially eliminate prejudice. Both of these logos can clearly be seen in both small images and large images. For example, cell phone apps, social media, and websites. They can also be seen at larger sizes, such as billboards and even on the side of a large business bus for advertisement. The multicolors in the first logo will appeal to the target audience of Americans because the colors catch the eye of potential viewers. According to 10 Reasons to Use Color, using multicolors in an image will improve object recognition. We are trying to recognize anti-prejudice. This logo does exactly this. In the second image, I used a red logo. In India, red is also a symbol for stop or fire. In this case, we wanted to stop hate. Robin Landa also states that the use of red draws attention to the bigger picture of what we are trying to get across to the target audience: stop hate. Lines are often used to draw attention to what's important. The logo on the first logo, it has a circle. It appears to look like people, and it states underneath togetherness. This will visually appeal to Americans by thinking of being together with their families and friends. No prejudice. The second logo has a red slash through the circle that states hate. This will visually appeal to India's culture because red symbolizes stop hate. The visual elements in both logos are designed to visually appear to both target audiences in the same way. The message is the same: stop prejudice and hate because love knows no color.